Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. No matter how difficult life becomes, never give up. If you give up, the chance of success ends. Difficult times make people stronger. Those who keep going succeed in the end. Failure is not a reason to quit, but a reason to try again. Patience and persistence are the keys to success. Today may be hard, but tomorrow will be better. Every problem has a solution. When you remember your goal, quitting becomes harder. So never give up, because success is waiting ahead. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.